Hello everyone, this is my husband Ravi. He has been growing his hair for almost like 5-6 months now, and today he has made up his mind that he'll cut his hair. He never has an experience to cut his hair before, but let's see how it goes. To begin with, he has just made his hair wet, and we don't have any proper tools nor anything. It's just a pair of scissors, and these scissors are not like cutting scissors, they are like normal regular kind of scissors, and he just have a trimmer. At this point of time, I really don't know how it's gonna turn out, and yeah, he's kind of bit struggling too, but he's just going with the stride. Seeing couple of YouTube videos from last 2 days, I was bit motivated, and I was generous enough, and I offered him help that I'll be cutting his hair. But this guy is really frightened. As myself, I don't have any experience in cutting it, and neither he does too. But see, it is better if he tries on his hair by himself rather than me kind of experimenting on it. But I think he's kind of following a pattern over here. He's just trimming the long edges by with his trimmer. It's still in bits and pieces only. I don't understand how he's going to cut at the back, because he'll not be able to see with the mirror. I think probably he'll take my help at this point of time. I was actually making fun of him. If at all, if this doesn't go as planned, if it is going to turn bad, he actually have an alternative plan to actually trim it to the zero level, like a kind of a summer craft, and so that's the reason he's like pretty much confident. But I'm just so curious, because he's taking his hand. I've never seen a person cut his hair by himself. I really have absolutely zero idea. I don't know how he's gonna do it, and without proper tools or anything, with just a trimmer and a pair of scissors, he's trying. I think he's gonna invent a new haircut because he's chopping his hair in all directions, in all pieces. Someone rightly said that necessity is the mother of invention. So when he wanted to do the haircut, generally if you see in salons, they will put a kind of cover on the top, to ensure that the hair is not falling on your dress. So we didn't have anything of that kind, and my husband, he got this raincoat kind of thing that we purchased at Legoland like 2 years back, and he's making use of it. I think now he's kind of mastering it. He actually got a bit of rhythm, so he's going very easily even at the back also. I even offered him help now, but he rejected it. He said he will do it by himself. From the front, actually now it is looking little bit better, but still at the back it is not looking that good. He has to still cut it. And see, without a mirror or anything, this guy is just very stubborn that he'll do it by himself, and he's doing it. And it's actually very kind of a different experience for me to watch someone cut their hair even at the back, like that. If you see on the right, the hair is a bit up. That was because he was tying it at the back. He's trimmed the bottom portion of the neck and the back, and now he's completely done with his haircut. You can see all the smiles, so I understand that he's pretty much happy, because see, it is his first try, and this lockdown is actually good, because it gives an opportunity to oneself to explore the creative side also. So I've just asked him to fresh up my husband right now, and I'm pretty much happy with the way it turned out, because he's also a novice and he has never cut his hair. But I think for the first time try, that too with no proper tools, I think he has done a decent job. And I just believe if my husband can, then even you need not stop yourself from cutting your hair. You just need to have that bit of confidence and just kind of drive in. And I hope that this video serves as an inspiration to someone who actually wants to cut their hair at home, but just not having the push to go forward for it. If my husband can do it, then definitely you can also. Cheers, and thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day and stay safe and take care of yourselves. Bye.